Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Uber sending you a verification code to log in, but the text message never shows up on your phone? You're not alone. Here's exactly why it happens and how to fix it fast. First, check if Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is turned on. Swipe down from the top right of your iPhone and if the focus icon is lit up, tap it to turn it off. Uber sends verification codes from automated short numbers that focus mode silently blocks. After that, go to your settings app and then search for phone, scroll down to silence unknown callers and make sure that it is turned off. Uber short codes look like unknown numbers to your iPhone and get filtered out of these settings if it's on. Now, go back to the Uber app and tap Resend Code and wait a full 60 seconds. If it still does not arrive, tap the option to verify by call instead of a text. Choose a voice call and Uber will read the code out loud to you. And also make sure you have at least 1 or 2 bars of phone signal. Codes sometimes fail on very weak signal. So all you've got to do is turn off focus mode, turn off silence unknown callers, tap Resend Code or switch to voice call. Your Uber code will arrive.